Hello guys, so I'm Michael from Dare to Explore. I thought I'd just jump on here and tell you guys about the Bushman DC65-X series fridge. I've had it for about 6 months, so let's get straight into it and with some specs and how I rate it anyway. Alright, starting from the front, it's a DC65-X series. It's actually bracketed in by MW toolbox kit they supply. They do it for all the size fridges of Bushman. So this goes up like straps, goes around, comes back down, and bolts to the floor. Super good for when you're on the corrugations, hard wheeling, or even on the beach like I am today. So anyway, we'll get into the fridge. It's got a nice little clip that just pops down, that opens. Don't mind it. We're at the end of the trip at the moment, so she's a bit empty. But obviously we put all our drinks there, more drinks there, sauces, etc. made for it. And then you can adjust these to wherever you want. These go out, adjust. And then it's super cool as well that if you've got like drinks like this, for instance, and you don't have the room, you can go, that goes up, and you can put them through there. Oh, and then can't forget the freezer for ice creams and frozen bits. Super cool about that. And then the dial as well. So you can turn the dial up. So obviously the higher you go, the colder it gets, and then the lower you go, the warmer it gets. All right, another thing I forgot to add is what we've done in this fridge already. So we've already gone from the Gold Coast, from Queensland, all the way over WA, travelled all over there, Exmouth, Esperance, Perth, everything, done some wheeling over there, 1,000 kilometres of corrugation through Western Australia, back in Northern Territory, all Northern Territory, and then back home. No dramas at all so far. With all the corrugations, just a few shaken up drinks, that's about it. A couple of cool things about the fridge actually is one, it uses super low amps. It's about 2.5 to 3 amps when it's cycling, which is actually quite low. So if the fridge was cycling for 10 hours, you'd only use 30 amps, which is insane. That's awesome. Another thing is I took it to Exmouth recently on a recent trip, 40 degrees. Fridge did not get hot, didn't have any problems with compressors, didn't have any problems with overheating, etc, etc. Even in the canopy, which is great. That's another major bonus that I liked. And I've had it on pretty much 24/7 since I bought it. It's just been running in the canopy non-stop, and it's been great. So yeah, this is pretty much just a 6-month review of what I think about the Bushman DC65-X series. And if I had to rate it, it'd probably be honestly a 5.